Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the Renault Koleos HZG instrument cluster. To begin with, you can just easily with your hands remove the top cover on top of this bracket on top of the instrument cluster. Underneath there will be a lot of T20 torque screws. You'll need to remove all of these. I'm only going to show you removing a few, and you will see why we need to remove these torque screws and this bracket shortly. Once you remove this bracket, underneath or on top of the steering column, we will need to remove this cover with a clip remover, which holds the instrument cluster surround in place. Underneath there will be two torque screws, one on either side. Go ahead and remove these torque screws. Once these are off, you can pull the surround out, and then there will be another two torque screws that actually hold the instrument cluster in position. And then when we remove these torque screws, you will need to pull the bottom part of the cluster out first, and then it will slide out, as you can see in the video. Because the top part is a clip on, and then you'll need to unplug the cluster by pressing onto this part of the plug. And this is how you remove the cluster. If you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel.